In this video, I'm going to show you how to connect Perplexity to n8n. So firstly, open up n8n and log into your n8n account. Once you've logged into your account here, click on the create workflow option, which is on your top right there, click on it. And then once you have clicked on it, it will open up a new space, automation space here. So we're going to do, click on add first step. So click on this option here, and in the search bar, search for Perplexity. Okay, and then select Perplexity, and from there scroll down and under actions select message or model. Okay, click on it, and what we have to do is we just have to configure the parameters here. So the credentials, you can click on connect to create new credentials, and then what you're going to do, plug in the API key for your Perplexity account and then hit on save. Once that's done, then for the operation you can select like message or model. Okay, and then you can choose the model that you want to work around with, and then your messages and all those things, all those what message you want to send, and just set up all those informations here. Okay, and once you have set up all this information, and you have additional settings here which you can customize as well under settings. Once you have set up everything, all you have to do is hit on execute step. Once you click on execute step and hit on go back to canvas here. So once you're back on this canvas here, you'll see that the connection has been set up. You can test it by clicking on the execute workflow option to test it, and basically that's how you do it.